Welcome to EDU World Space.
All right, so we have this figure. I will try to draw it as best as I can. Kind of looks something like this. Okay. No, you can look at it in your book, but it's the intersection of two cylinders. So these are the two cylinders here. So what I've done is I've tried to figure out where they intersect. So we've got this relationship, right? And if I look at just the first octant, I'm looking at this. So I've got x, got negative x, and I'm going from 0 to 1. Okay. That 1 I'm getting from these guys here. Okay. So the idea of this problem is to look at the first octant, find that surface area, and multiply by 8. So it's not too hard to see that we're only figuring out this top portion in the first octant, but there's also its equivalent bottom portion, and then we've got 6 more of those. Okay, so in a total we have 8 surfaces that are the same. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out our function z, or z. Okay, sometimes we refer to this f of xy. Then we find zx and zy, plug it into our surface area formula, and do some magic, right? Just a little bit. We end up with this. Okay. So notice that you can also rewrite this as negative x over z. Okay. Right, because z is equal to 1 minus x squared, just given right here. Okay, so that's how I got this formula. It's just a little bit of algebra here. Okay. Then with a little bit more algebra, we can get our equation to look like this. Okay, and the reason why is because of the relationship that we've been using, right? X squared plus z squared is equal to 1. Okay, so let's continue this integral. We're going to integrate with respects to y and then x. So we see in the first picture here that our x's are ranging between 0 and 1. Our y's are ranging between negative x and x. Doing our integration, we can see that we get 2x dx. And we can figure out this integral pretty easily. Say u is equal to 1 minus x squared, du is equal to negative 2x. So our integral becomes 0 to 1. Sorry, we got dx here as well. 1/2 of 1 over u square root du. I'm sorry, this 1/2 will not be here because it's already taken care of. So pardon me for that. This 1/2 is, so we got 2x here, and we got that 2x here. Okay, so now we have to integrate this, and integrating this is pretty straightforward. So what do we get? We can remember that this is u to the negative 1/2. So integrating this, we get 2 u to the 1/2 from 0 to 1, and that's 2. But that's not the answer. So that surface area equaling 2 is the surface area of one surface, aka in the first octant. But since we have 8 octants, that's why it's called an octant, the surface area total is 2 times 8, which is 16.